Preview.
Your friendship is a blessing. As time goes by, I count among my blessings the many different friends you've been to me. A friend to share fun times and laugh a little, or just provide some quiet company. You know the vibes because we be quiet. A friend whose wisdom put things in perspective, whose wit can spread a smile across my face. To me, your friendship's more than just a blessing. So many times it's been my saving grace. Happy birthday with love and thanks. Honored to know you in this life, my love. I hope you enjoy your day, Winky. And oh my God, that's gonna be so dope.
What is it?
So she got pottery class, ceramic class.
We were just talking about that.
She have a dinner plan and then a massage to say you book yourself for Taylor.
Oh, that is so cute.
I'll show you what it is. Then we're gonna roll it into a ball. We go to our wheels over clay. You want to make sure it is the air. Sometimes you get it in pieces. And just like veggie for a few minutes. Mix it up. So you're gonna roll it into a round ball to start with. So let's start with it for a few minutes.
Oh, what I make my mouth. I swear.
Yeah. It started like really. I was like, that was.
That's that meat roll. You rolling balls?
Something was wrong with that.
Smash it to make a round.
Michael Jordan.
Michael Jordan! What the hell is wrong with you?
But Kate does it every week.
Bite it. You work with those.
Alright, now when you start spinning your wheel, you're gonna see that your piece is gonna wobble a little bit. 6 o'clock right hand, left hand pushes it down. It makes it flat on the top. You squeeze some more water out of your sponge. Put your palm of your right hand becomes a wall that the clay grinds itself until it becomes perfectly even. It's very intuitive. You're gonna make a dent. You're gonna put the left hand inside. Squeeze the clay against your right hand. Alright? Your left hand goes inside, as many fingers fit. And squeeze the clay against the palm of your right hand.
Okay.
That's rare now. Alright, so on the bottom, yes, select it exactly how exactly. On the bottom, pinch the clay. It makes the stick like
You ugly. You looking like an artist right now. Kicks. Okay, fly check.
I ain't got my sleeves on right now, but
Alright.
doing?
Okay. Alright.
I forgot what he said. I'm scared, actually.
Girl, do it. Go for it.
Well, I'm supposed to put it on there?
Yeah. Okay. Girl. You scared. Use the spot. Why is he not following instructions? Is it hard?
So right hand against.
Right hand again. Okay, look at the orty.
That hurt your hand? I tell you what.
make sure this hand stay down against that. And you moving that hand. Make it flat. That's what I didn't do. I ain't make it flat enough. Grab a little water. You don't gotta dip it every time because it's already water in there.
I'm scared.
There you go. See how it's getting flatter? I swear you throwing it.
Okay. Move it closer to me.
Move what? This closest to you. You steady throwing that shit. What you making, a bow? Making a bow?
I'm making a box.
Yeah, you gotta make sure both. There you go. There you go. Okay. There you go. You're doing good. Go ahead. That's gonna be a nice bow. There you go. I'm scared. Putting too much on. You're doing good. There you go. Like, you gotta curve your fingers, right?
With my nails. I got nails on. Wait.
Alright, just keep doing that. Just keep like doing it like this.
Like this.
Yeah.
See that?
Let me make it deeper. There you go.
My shit is like yours. I don't want that.
Yeah, there you go. But just don't bring it up because you're gonna make it tall like mine. You done?
I don't want my shit.
You done?
I don't want it to be tall. I turn it on. No, I'm not doing it.
Go ahead. And you got on your pants.
I do.
You was almost done. I think you flicked it when you was flicking that water.
I'm done.
You done? Now you done? Let me see your feet. Did you have fun?
I had the time of my life. We gotta come back.
We literally have to come back if we want to get it.
I want to remake it off of my tip.
Oh no.
I gotta go look at
See.
more videos.
Explain your piece.
I wanted a bowl, but it's giving me two.
Ashtray?
No,
Oh, my bad.
it's giving me 2 scoops of ice cream on a study hot day.
Okay.
Here.
Caught up.
And then we're gonna do a pink and green exterior with a pink interior.
Okay.
But stay tuned. Part 1.
Lick it.
Look at
Alright, so I figured out what I'm gonna do. I got a little lip right here. I'm gonna make it into a tongue. Or I may make it into the bottom lip of a black person. Or a tongue. I'm not too sure what it's gonna be yet. PB. Then right here, we got a cute little bow.
this is my ice cream bowl.
We got Granny little cute little bow. We got Granny little cute little bow. She just do it on the weekend.
That's good.
You know what I'm saying? That's cute.
My bowl is nice.
That's cute, baby. Whatever she say, it's her birthday. It's a summer ice cream bowl. It's a summer ice cream bowl. It's actually nice. I heard people that host this, so they got an MFA at my school. Y'all show much. Man, what's this on you, man? Niggas talking down, niggas talk to the cops, niggas talk to the guy. When I talk that now, he ain't talking now. To them watch your spine and be watch your back, better got your trap, better not look. As they airline, don't step on crash, when you better come back and talk about your mom. Cause there's killers in my town, making hits, sniffing lines. Out committing crime, wait for corrupted little minds, 8 and 9, finish shine on the grind, do the dirty with that shimmy, shimmy out. Where they shoot without a purpose, services and hearses. Kids who ain't deserve it, can't survive a thing, you're worthless. Strangers make me nervous, who's that peeking in my window with a pistol to my curtain? Said you can't live forever life. Of course, I'll live if forever I'll live. What did he say? I'll live it forever. See him later.
Why she just looking at us like we was finna do something?
Girl, we don't want that leave little car. Hey, girl, you beautiful, baby. You beautiful. Let me help you in now.
I was saying it wrong.
Yes. Damn, I got a pee-pee.
You want some of my link card?
For sure, we want some of this link. Yeah. All right, so you know, so we in. Juice.
I wonder like what the fuck did you say?
We got a fit check today. Don't worry because I am wearing this again. Fit check. Okay. Okay.
Real fly, nothing too.
Yeah.
Hey, if you see me out in public, don't be scared to speak. What nigga? She's like, it's never that serious. Trust me, I know that. Fit check. Woo. It's giving me Japanese streetwear.
Hold
You
on.
feel me? Okay.
You know what that is.
Period. What we getting? Real fly. I fuck with it. Alright now. Don't hurt him. Don't hurt him.
Okay. I think when I start getting monetized, I'm gonna get a yellow flag for that. I think I can show that. Oh, we came in here for Oliver. Well, here's the wine. Let's find some wine. Let me put some on my lips. All right, so we in here for. Matter of fact, let me get you a car. These choices we have. Choices. We finna be drinking some Taylor Port in a minute. Because you're not helping me find. I'm off to mine, so don't care.
Oliver.
I've been looking for Oliver. And look at this. She found it. She found it.
When you go like up north, they don't have